Hey, what's up guys? So, nagbabalik tayo ngayon para sa panibagong video ng ating Minecraft Hardcore series. So today, ang gagawin natin ngayon, as you can see, nakikita nyo naman ang paligid ko, malinis na. In-excavate ko rin itong part na to dahil I have a plan for something that I can build in this area right here. And itong sugarcane farm natin it's going well. And malapit na siyang tumakbo ng malakas. And yung nakita nyong fence doon na puro cows, nilipat ko siya. Napatay ko yung isa. Dahil ang hirap niyang i-move. What I want to do right now is, look at this. I have a saddle and may nakikita kong horse doon. I want to get a horse na may brown tail. Yung brown tail na yun is one of the most fastest horse ever. So I wanna find one, but first, punta tayo sa village number 2 na nakita natin last episode, which is ayan. Okay, dito na tayo sa village. And siguro kunin muna natin itong pumpkin na to dahil... Okay, so nakuha na natin yung this pumpkins and may nakita akong hay bales dito, pero siguro mamaya na natin kuhanin yun. And I see a horse. Ito yung sinasabi ko, yung may brown tail. Ito yung horse, but dito tayo best friends forever. Nice, look. Ito, tignan yung brown tail natin. Kaya nga tatalon yung fence and mabilis tayo siya. Super. And then yeah, may iron column dito, which is one. Then yeah, nakuha na natin yung iron golem dito. Let's go ahead and get the hay bales right there. Okay, finish na tayo sa pagkuha ng hay bales. We got 31 hay bales and that's good. And I want to get the sugarcane first before I go. And merong spruce biome dun. Or taiga, I guess tawag sa kanila. I think I wanna mine like kung saan yung nakita natin part dito. Yung malaking cave. Okay, since nalagay na natin siya dyan, I'm gonna collect this first. Make papers and such para continue na natin itong expedition natin, mining expedition. And I hope to see much more diamonds as expected. Okay. Hindi pala ito. Yeah, I need this. Okay, I'm ready. I just wait for this to finish. Okay na to? Para may matitira. Check natin ito. May iron dito. Let's try to get this. This is nice. I want to smelt stuff first. Okay, nice. Tapos agad Tapos agad siya. I need leggings. I need boots. Ah, look at us. Nice. Here. Okay, na meron. Oh, lava pool. Ngayon na nakakuha lang mobs na nag-spawn ngayon sa cave. But I think that's because night time sa taas. Hindi tayo. Then walang spawn na mob. Oh! Oh my god! Wala tayong... Okay, meron. See? Meron tayong zombie spawner. Let's go. Oh! May god apple tayo. Swerte, boy. Oh! First diamonds already. Okay, nice one. Ayun, ito lang ba? Okay. Nice one. Another one. Oh, two. Let me see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, nice. Wow. I didn't expect na ganun kadami yung isusulpot ng creeper. Oh my god, man. Naman zombie. Oh my god, we're finally out. We're finally out and iba yung nalabasan natin, which is so far away from... Oh, ito pala, yeah, I got diamonds. Ito, ayan. Of course, we shouldn't forget iron horse or balakay. Ano ba yung pwede natin pangalan dito, guys? Comment down below kung ano gusto nyo yung pangalan. But I have something in mind. Siguro, kung ano yung gusto nyo ipangalan natin sa ating horse, ayun ang ipapangalan natin sa kanya. Okay? So, let's smelt this. Where is it? Ito. And then, ito. And then, no. Dito ko lalagay lahat ng valuable items ko. And then ito. And then, yeah. Lead them. But do I make a lead or do I make a bow? I make a bow. Bow is one thing that I need. There we go. Okay, I have a bow. Nice one. Works. I mean, why wouldn't it work, diba? Finished. Okay, finished. How many gold do I have? 8. And 13. So I need like Kaya. I don't have any more to that, so I should have gone. But it's okay. I'll make golden apples. Okay, guys, check this out. Okay, wabam, and then wabam. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that pickaxe, my guy. Okay, look at that. That is the greatest pickaxe ever. I mean minus the, you know, the wooden pickaxes that you need to get that, and then wapow! Cover me with diamonds. Let's try this on, and I have a new pants. Nice one. Oh, look at me. May kulay blue na ako. Okay, let's put that there. And I wanna go there kasi diba may nakita tayong lava pool there last episode. And kuha ko ang paapat na obsidian gamit ang diamond pickaxe, which is the most frustrating part of Minecraft, getting obsidian. Obsidian is one of the most block na ang hirap sirain kasi ang bagal. And then pangalawa netherite. And yeah, ayun, yun yung mga gamit na mahirap sirain. If you can uncraft things like, yeah, kung pwede ko lang mag-uncraft, in-uncraft ko na yung lodestone kasi diba may netherite yun, or binago nila, I think binago nila. Yeah, parang binago nila yung lodestone, ginawa nilang iron na lang. Okay. Oh, hindi lang pala 4 ang kukunin ko. 18. My god. Kaya na 14 na lang. Nakakatamad mo. Okay. Time for the most frustrating part of Minecraft. Wait, I got 2 right? Meron na akong 2 sa bagay. Or sa stash natin. So I need 12. Nice one. And then let's try this out. Make this a polished iron. Okay. You're wondering kung bakit 12 yung kinuha ko kasi diba sa stash natin meron tayong dalawang obsidian, which is ito. And then ayun na yung gagamitin natin pang gawa ng portal. Nice one. Okay, let's go back. And in 3. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Pop. Bam! Nice. Okay, we're back here. And, yeah. Oh wait, bago natin gawin yun, let's make a portal muna. Okay, light that portal up. Okay, nice one. And later the light came portal, but now where is my obsidian? Yes, ito. Stone niya. Let's make muna. Okay, let's make this. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, and then booyah! Nice one. Enchanting table. Where should we put this? I guess dito muna. Pansamantala lang. Tapat mo sa tabi ng cows. Okay, there we go. Let's see kung ano enchants ang makuha natin. Oh my god. Nice one. Well, I need like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16. I need 16 times 3. 16 times 3. About 48. I need 48 books. Okay, I need 48 of this, which is I have 16. I need 32 more. And yeah, 6 times 16. 6 times 16. 16. Ito 48 na to, diba? 48. And then 64. And then 32. So one stuck in 32. Which is, it's okay lang. Let's see here. 2. Isa pa. Okay, 60. And then that. And then that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 24 na, diba? And then 1, 2. Which makes 32. Okay, nice. Let's make this here. Okay, there we go. Now, I just need to make this, guys, and make something out of everything. Diba? Okay, wait. Meron akong fire leather here. Let's try to make more. Okay, so 999. I need 27. First, siguro ito muna. Saan ko nalagay? Okay, ito. Mali. There we go. Oh my god, namali agad. Okay lang. What? Pag ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. Okay, nice. And then I need 6 more there. But first, lagay muna natin ito dito. And let's see here kung ano na makuha natin. Okay, so, pop, 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 and then pop, 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 and then pop. Whew. There we go. Efficiency 2. I want ano more moments here. Oh my god, looting, sharpness. I want looting, to be honest. So that, kakaroon tayo ng looting sword. But for now, let me enchant first muna yung sword natin. Let's see kung ano makuha natin. Itong pickaxe muna tsaka yung sword. Okay. Itong sword. Nice one. And then ito. Ito. Not bad. Okay, for now, I want to end this video right here. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, share, and subscribe. And sana naman I am na-enjoy nyo to itong video na ito. Sa susunod, gagawa tayo ng mga panibagong vid. Maybe Minecraft, maybe iba pang laro. So, stay tuned. Please subscribe and hit the bell para malaman nyo kung kailan ang next upload ko at kung ano yung i-upload ko para mapanood nyo. Ayun lang guys. Goodbye.